So now I already removed some. I will add this one with I add jalapeno. It's there. And we will mix that one. This is very spicy. Yeah, wow, it's look yummy. With jalapeno. Oh my. So guys, my husband are preparing potato now. To eat with that one. With the bell pepper stir fry with ground meat. Me, I will prepare some rice. He will prepare some mashed potato. So hello guys, here's our upo or gourd, bottle gourd. Here's my bok choy plant that my friend came here to harvest this morning. And the leaves of the melon amire, ampalaya, the little ampalaya here. Oh, my friend harvest most of the fruit already. Check another upo. And here's my kale plant, very healthy, beautiful. What's left in our eggplant? What's left in our eggplant? Little bell pepper. Yeah. I have a plant here. This is ginger plant. These leaves. Yeah, this is ginger leaves. The flower of my eggplant. This one is Malabar leaves. So my friend came here this morning. They removed some Malabar leaves. And the leaves of this better melon or ampalaya, because we can cook this one. We're adding in our mung bean soup. Yeah, it's better taste also, and it's yummy, good for the health. Lots of health benefits. Check the leaves of alugbate or Malabar spinach. Yeah. The celery, I have celery plants. My celery, I give them also. They harvest some of that. I have a lots. So it's autumn already. That's what I did with my tomato plant. We have our cauliflower here because it's cold. No, it's good. And check the broccoli. It's cold, start to cold, and they gave me beautiful flower, the broccoli, huh? But the leaves, never mind. Yeah, I have a gorge here, like a squash or zucchini. I don't know. I plant zucchini, but its result is this fruit. And this time I still have zucchini. Yeah, very good zucchini. Zucchini are still alive. And here is my parsley, Italian parsley. They're very beautiful. Check what happened to the salad. She gave flower and seeds already, so I can harvest that one, and I will not buy seeds anymore, and I will just plant this one. Check, lots of seeds inside. That's the seeds. Lots of seeds in there. And check my Swiss chard, beautiful yellow and red. That's the Swiss chard, good for, actually you can eat that as salad, or we add this one in our soup, Filipino soup, like mung beans or haricot munggo soup. Yeah, we add it like a spinach. And my dahlia guys are blooming beautiful. That's what happened now with the jungle. Oh, there's more raspberry. There's more yellow ripe raspberry. Okay, it's easy when it's ripe, this yellow, when you can easily remove like that. More fruits. So here I will show you what I do with my most of my recipe, because it's less expensive here, the ground meat. So I just marinate this ground meat with this one, bobril, chicken based concentrate, and chicken powder. You have salt, garlic powder, and onion powder, and uh, ground pepper. So anything in my vegetable I show you a while ago, I basically add with ground meat, marinated 20 minutes before we stir fry the onion and garlic and anything. Today I will cook bell pepper. I will add this one, and this zucchini I will keep in the fridge. I have a big zucchini again for this time. Yeah. So now I will prepare to cut this one and the onion and garlic, and then 20 minutes ago already this one is good to cook. We always marinate our meat 20 minutes or overnight. That's what I'm doing. So before mixing all stir fry like that. Yeah, we save more money if the ground meat. It's better. Yeah, the ground meat is my basic meat to add in all my legumes here summer. But you know, in Philippines we had add sardines only with all the legume, and that's it. We stir fry. So we have our onion and garlic here. Onion and garlic I harvest from this summer. So I will prepare this one for next week. I will plant garlic uh, be before it frozen night. So I will plant garlic this maybe first week of October or last week of October. I will plant garlic. So now I will take two, okay, for the stir fry. I have a beautiful harvest of garlic this year. That, yeah, beautiful. Yeah. My onion are not bad. Big bulb of garlic. Big. So I take only this one. Only this to add for my stir fry bell pepper. So this are bell pepper. I'll just cut that and after I slice it long like that, lengthwise. Here my onion I put in the water so that it's not very strong. Yeah. Alors, pour mes amis québécois, les viandes sont marinées déjà avec poivre, sel, bovril, peu d'ail, peu d'oignon. Puis il y a des oignons ici, des poivrons. Des poivrons, je vais couper comme ça. Comme ça là. Ok, puis il y a de l'ail. Okay. So all is ready, guys. This one is jalapeno. This is optional, but I realize I like to put some ginger, so I will go in the garden and take some ginger. My ginger plant, so it's yummy when there's a ginger, guys. I will just take a little one. This one, the ginger, huh? I did not remove the one it's growing here. Let it grow. Let it grow, and we have this ginger. So here's the ginger I plant. Actually, I plant this one late already from the garden. We will add ginger. So guys, this ginger is just optional. Okay, les gingembre sont une option déjà, les amis. So maintenant, now we heat our pan, and then I will put the vegetable oil. Okay. Yeah. Oops. So mostly here I cook first the meat. This meat I will cook that one first. So once the meat is cooked, I will add all this onion and garlic and the spice, and later this our bell pepper. Because our meat is already marinated, and that's why it's like that. So normalement ici à la maison, les amis, depuis avant les viandes, avant ajouter l'ail et l'oignon et toutes les épices comme ça. Puis la dernièrement c'est ça, le poivron. Puis you can add sesame oil like in Asiatic restaurant, soy sauce like that, but for it's an option only for in our house. All of that is an option only. We already add our seasoning, basic seasoning. That's it. Yeah, oyster sauce is also an optional. Yes. But if you have like Asian restaurant, so style, you can add this sesame oil, oyster sauce, soy sauce. Yeah. Si les amis, si tu veux comme dans restaurant asiatique, tu peux ajouter l'huile de sésame, sauce soya, sauce au huit. C'est comme ça dans asiatique restaurant. Plus de slurry, le maïs, piqué de maïs avec de l'eau mélangée, c'est ça. Comme ça dans le restaurant asiatique. It's like that in restaurant asiatic. You can add the sesame oil, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and cornstarch mixed with water. It's important we're adding ground black peppers so that the smell of the meat, we eliminate that one, the bad smell of the meat. That's very important. In addition, plus the ginger and the ground black pepper. Our meat is cooked already. I will add the ginger, onion, and garlic. This one here, jalapeno, I will add that one separate because I will give some to my mother-in-law, to my parent-in-law. So they don't like spice, so I will separate that jalapeno. So it's look beautiful now. Our meat smells good sa sambong, you see. Right. At this point, like if you have meat like that, more meat, you can put in the rep some, and then you cook with your other vegetable, like you have your bok choy, your opo, zucchini. So it's more fast to cook. So this is the basic meat. And you can add any vegetable you have from the house or you buy in the store. You know, from the house, from the garden. You know, it's summer, you have lots of vegetables. Now we're adding our bell peppers. We're adding our bell peppers. And we mix it. You can hear the nice smell of the stir fry. Wow. So my friend, we have our slurry here. Here's our slurry, a cornstarch and a water, like about maybe more than 1/3. We add there, and then we mix that one. Check the slurry effect. I will add more water. You can add more water if you like the sauce. Okay. Here, that's the slurry effect. The sauce, yummy. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Hope you learned something today. God bless us all. She always meow because I'm here in the kitchen. Yeah, meow. Oh, it's so yummy guys with the slurry effect of our stir fry. Yes.